Ayan ang magandang exercise.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Not too high.
Come on!
Not too high. Yeah.
Come on, Jay!
Oh, si Gigi.
Sige!
Taas ang takong.
Sige nga. Okay, one slowly, ah. 1, 2, 1. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you.
As we're singing, holy is the Lord Almighty, holy of it all. Every tribe will see your glory. All our treasure turn to ashes. As we're singing, holy is the Lord Almighty.
Kapit kamay, tayong dalawa, nakangiti at kapwa masaya, at ang tunay na pagmamahal, nakalarawan kahit kupas na. It's summertime.
Get it poppin'.
Masakit yung ulo mo? Hala, baka bobo ka. Joke lang po.
You don't have to be beautiful. Wrong track. Let's get to the real thing.
That was an amazing performance from the Melton dancers.
Melton dancer!
Naglabasan yung mga suso ni Kuya. Ano ba yan?
Galing nila!
Tired.
Grabe, ang galing.
Just
Ang galing
watching them, I
talaga,
got
oh.
tired.
Kaya mo
Kayo
yan!
ng Melton Dance.
Ganyan karami dito!
And of course,
Mga
we
tao
are
sa
privileged today
Barrio Fiesta!
that the mayor
Of Cheshire
Cheshire
East is with us
is with us today to
celebrating.
give us an inspirational message. Let's welcome on stage Mr. David Edwards. Let's give him a round of applause, guys. The mayor
Kayo,
of Cheshire East.
David Edwards.
Mayor David.
Mayor David! Ayan, si Mayor David. Andyan pa mga ano. Tiyan mo, dami-daming tao.
David Edwards, I'm Mayor of Cheshire East, believe it or not. And this is the second year I've been to this event. It's absolutely wonderful, and I'm really, really pleased that there's so many more people here this year than last year. I hope you do enjoy it. Get your friends along for next year and so on, and we'll make it an even bigger event. But I wish you, everybody, what's the time? Still afternoon, isn't it? I hope you all have a wonderful time, and thank you very much for coming, everyone. Thank
Yay!
you.
Thank you also.
Thank you so much, Mayor of the Session East, David
David
Edwards.
Edwards.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Mahal ko. Ayos lang. Kaway, kaway, kaway. Kaway. Napagod, kaya dito ako. Concert in the park. No, no, la, 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 la. Sobrang init. Grabe, ang init. Mainit. Watching my video.
Okay, so before they, while they're preparing, maybe we can read something for as a little bit of a background.
Today, they are dancing Pintados, a powerful and culturally rich performance that takes us back
Tribo YFG Pintados. YFG Pintados.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, as in everyone was shocked.
Form yourselves.
Everyone,
You're
very good.
Performance.
Good.
The costumes.
You're very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah.
Preparing to
Grabe, ang
The
dami
next
ng tao.
cultural dancer.
Yes, the Nelson Neo-Ethnic
Yan.
came like really.
Ayan, ang mga ano.
Mahilig ka mag-shoot kasi.
Viral, only that corpse part.
May bag na si Mr. O. Ayan, bag ni Mr. O. Yan, busy remit. Alam kami, ito, halo-halo. Buko pandan. Or mango. Ito dito, halo-halo nila, 8 pounds. Diet Coke. Oh, ice cream! Ang haba ng pila ng ice cream. Yan, sarap ng ice cream niyo. Yan, sarap ng ice cream niyo. Yan, oh, ice cream niyo. Haba ng pila. Ayan, oh, tingnan mo ha. Yan ang kanilang saan si Mr. Iniwan ako. Saan na kaya yun? Yun, halo-halo. Ng pagkain niya, kuya. Yan si Mayor. Kumakain si Mayor ng lechon. Oy, pakainin naman buti si Mayor ah. Yan, nakapila na si Mr. Ano kayang bibili namin? Ayan, may ano sila. Oh, may kikiam, may pork shumai, squid ball, may siupaw. Dito naman, ang tinitinda nila ay yan ang kanilang paninda.
May drink.
Yan, ang sarap po.
With drink.
Yan dito. Magkuha tayo ng video dito. Yan, naka-video yung barbecue nila. Wow, sarap. Yan. Nakabili. Nauhaw ako. Ano kaya mainom? Ay, ang ganda ng aso. Ang kulat-kulat ng kanyang ano. Hello! Sabor! Sabor! Filipinas! Preston, Southport, Blackpool, Manchester. Yan ang kanilang pagkain. Yan ang pagkain nila. Yan, yung mga natatakam dyan ng pagkain na lutong Pinoy. Punta kayo sa Barrio Pista. Sarap ng kanilang ano.
Yan na po. Benda na.
Enjoy lahat sa pagkain. Ayan, mayroon pang nag-share ng pagkain. Ayan, ang dami. Ang sarap ng kanilang pagkain. Enjoy sa kanilang mga pagkinakain. Ayan, ay pork igado. Bupis. Siupaw. Dinuguan. Yan ang pork dinuguan. Grabe, ang sarap. Ito yung lechon. Mag-video ako ulit ha ng lechon nyo ha. Libre ba video?
Yes po, yes po.
Oh, libre ang video. Yan ang halo-halo ni ate, yung sarap oh. Halo-halo. Oh, mag-say hello kayo, hello.
Hello.
Yan,
For a pound.
okay.
Ano mapunhay ka?
Hey, ate.
At tatlo dito at saka dyan, magkano yan dyan?
2 pounds each.
2 pounds each. Okay.
Alin dyan? Puti?
Yung puti,
Fishball?
yung puti.
Tatlo nito.
Tapos, yan.
Tapos may sauce tayo doon.
Yan, tama. Sandali. Sandali, i-off ko muna. Ganda ng araw dito. Yan, ganda ang river.
Ibalulugtugin po namin tonight.
Ganda ng
Mga sariling gawa na.
Cut. O, punta kayo dito sa Barrio Fiesta sa Cheshire. Libre ang haircut. Ayan, si Jade ang model. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda-ganda na. Oh, magiging big transformation yan si Jade. Uwi ng Bradford na iba na.
yun, yes guys, so hopefully you are enjoying our set as well. So we are nurses pala. So then we are here to bring you songs and also taking care of you.